It's time for today's Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Schreer in Springfield. Today we're joined by attorney Sean Willis. We're talking about background checks. Now, we talked about it last time, but what I want to know is, what about current employees? Can my employer check my criminal history at any given point?
Actually, yeah, they can. But a couple things you should know is, one, any employer that does any more than 5 background checks in a year is required to have a written policy in place. And 2, if the employer is going to make any kind of adverse employment decisions, they're required to first give the employee a copy of their criminal record and offer them an opportunity to amend the record if they believe that there's anything on there that shouldn't be.
Now, Sean, when an employer does a background check, does it detail every single interaction with the police? Does it just count certain crimes? What's included?
Yeah. The scope of what employers have access to is very important, because your criminal record actually has every interaction you've ever had with the criminal justice system, including charges that didn't result in conviction. Typically, employers have access to any convictions for felonies that are less than 10 years old, or misdemeanors that are less than 5 years old.
So more of the larger scale issues. Now, what if there's something on my record and it's been a long time? What if I want to get it expunged? How does one go about doing that?
Actually, in Massachusetts, there's really no mechanism for expunging a record unless you can you prove that the items that are on the record are actually incorrect or false. But you can have records sealed, and you can do that by applying to the probation department, state probation department, or you can apply to the court where the records originated from.
And if you're going to do something like that, it's always a good idea to contact and consult with a lawyer.
Sure thing.
Much like yourself. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Pleasure having you here. That's your Legal Minute. For more information, you can call 413-781-0750, or you can visit them online, cooleyschreer.com.